Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to check the health of any SSD or HDD in Windows computer. So let's get started. To make this tutorial practical, I have connected one internal SSD and one external hard drive. You will see both a healthy drive and one that already shows a warning. So let's first open any web browser and search for this software called Crystal Disk Info. Now go to this website link. Now scroll down and you'll see here download option. Just click on it. Now on the below you will see here installer. Just click on it to download the installer. Once the installer has been downloaded successfully, just install it and run the program. So when you open Crystal Disk Info, it automatically detects all storage drives connected to your computer. Here I can see my internal SSDs as well as my external hard drive. The internal SSD is shows as a health status good along with temperature. Now let's move to or click on the another drive that is connected externally. So here you can see the health status as caution. This hard drive is showing health status caution. A caution status does not always mean the drive has stopped working, but it does mean you should back up your important files as soon as possible. So Crystal Disk Info reads smart information stored inside the drive. A caution status usually appears because of things like bad sector, reallocated sectors, pending sectors. The drive may still work, but it has started showing sign of wear. Along with the health status, it also display firmware, serial number, interface, and transfer mode, rotation rate, powers on hours, and power cycle count. These details can help identify your drive and estimate how long it has been used. So if your drive shows caution, here's what you should do. Back up important files immediately and monitor the drive regularly. And also replace the drive if the warning gets worse or you start noticing slow performance, clicking noise, or file corruptions. So remember, a drive showing good can still fail unexpectedly. Important files should always be backup. So Crystal Disk Info helps monitor drive health, but no software can predict every possible hardware failure. So if this tutorial helped you learn how to check SSD and HDD health in Windows, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.